So I had to buy myself this crackle clay kit. It's called Cra-Z-Crackle, and I did a couple things out of the kit. I didn't film them, but I'll link up a bunch of videos showing people making these things in the box. I had originally bought one at Indigo, and it was a smaller kit, and I brought it home, and the clay was all dried up, so that didn't work. So I returned that, got this on Amazon, and I made myself a little practice ball, and I made myself this super cute donut that I almost don't want to crack because it's so cute. I think I might make one out of regular clay and keep it, but let's check them out and see how they are going to sound. So I'm going to bring my mic over here so we can hear it better, and we're going to listen to see what kind of sound this one makes. And it's going to make a mess, so I'll clean it up later. So here's the first attempt. Sounds cracky. Not quite what I thought. Sort of works, not really, but look, the inside is like, yeah, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was expecting it to be a little bit more interesting than that, because this stuff just flaked right off. So I don't know if you need a few coats or what you need, but this is the next one that I did. It only says to do one coat, but it's cracked, so hopefully that's not going to affect anything. But let's try to crack the donut now. That's a little more cracky. You can hear that. Hopefully my mic works. It's very flaky though. I don't know if they're all flaky like that. And you can tear it apart. I don't know if you could recycle these, but we'll see what we could do with them. Anyways, it was a fun experiment. I wouldn't recommend running out and buying the kit. I might try to do it with regular Model Magic and nail polish. I'll link up a tutorial for that one below. And wish me luck cleaning up this mess.